Well, hello there, you two. I'm finally out for a ride. I'm on the Goldwing. I bought front brakes for it. The left side was, the inside caliper, or inside brake pad was completely down to bare metal. It was, you could feel it scratching and scraping on the disc. And now I have to break it in because it was dragging. It's not dragging so much now. But I didn't change the right side. I do have the pads, but I couldn't get that pin out that holds the brake pads in. I didn't want to strip it out. So I squirt some WD-40 in there and I'll wait a little while. I'll try it again. But I still don't have my spider. I screwed that up myself. I put a new back tire on, put it all back together, and I forgot to tighten the axle. You know, I snugged it, but I didn't tighten it, so the back caliper, brake caliper went like this, and it snapped my parking brake cable. I ordered a new parking brake cable, but I couldn't get it on. That great big take-up wheel on the very front, I think there's kind of a stopper on the back, and once it broke, it just kept stripping it, so they had to order that. I just took it down. I got tired of working on it, and I couldn't get that parking brake cable on, so I took it to Forney. They have a dealership there that actually works on spiders. They don't work on spiders up here at Georgetown, up in Greenville. So I had to trailer it down there, and they're still waiting on that big take-up pulley kind of thing that the cable goes on, and so I took all my parts down there too. So I said, screw it. I didn't want to do it. Didn't want to work on it anymore. It took me forever to get these brake pads on too. The other oh my god, I couldn't get it lined up. I took that pin out so I could kind of, those clips on the top that hold the top of the brake pads in, the little square clip, that popped out. So they had a heck of a time getting that back up in there and getting it to stay up there. When I finally got it, I could tell when I put on the brakes, it was just like grinding. So it was right on the disc, the bare metal on the brake pad, right on the disc. Hopefully I didn't screw it up, but it's working now. It's when I drove it the first time, I just let off the gas and it stops. It slowly stops, so it felt like the brakes were on, but now I gotta break in those pads, I guess. I'll get the other one, and as soon as maybe that WD-40 will kind of work in there and loosen that up a little bit. The other one wasn't too tight, but that little rubber ring around that thing is gone on that side, the right side, so I didn't worry about it. It's been going a long time. Even the rubber seals, you know, that brake cleaner ate those seals up. I don't know how much that spider's gonna cost. I don't know how much that big take-up wheel for that brake cable brake thing is, but I bought the cable. That was like shipping, it was like $70, and I included that. I took it down there, and it was exact OEM parts, so I put it up next to the bad one, and it's exactly the same. Nice to go for a ride again. It is 81. See if I let off. Yeah, it's coasting now. The brake pad wore in. Before I let off the brake, and it come to a stop in a little bit of distance. That's better. Just need to brake in. Only took a couple miles, 4 or 5 miles to break it in. but I'm hoping to go pick up my spider pretty soon. Drive my truck down there and pull the trailer and pick it up. I'm glad I got brakes. I'll turn it off. Talk to you later. Bye.